Over 1 billion people lack access to cell phone coverage. Without mobile coverage, people miss out on important services like emergency communications, market price information, and job opportunities. Yet, the technology exists to build cell phone networks across the globe, even in sparsely populated areas. Lack of cell coverage is largely a policy problem. To operate a cell phone network, companies need radio frequency space, known as spectrum. Historically, governments grant exclusive spectrum licenses to a handful of mobile network operators and require their exclusive use of spectrum to avoid interference. But exclusivity reduces competition and tends to limit coverage to areas where licensed operators can be most profitable. Computer scientists with UC Berkeley's Technology and Infrastructure for Emerging Regions Group, or TIER, are addressing this challenge by designing strategies for sharing spectrum. Their approach is called GSM White Spaces. Built on the world's most widely deployed mobile network standard, GSM, or Global System for Mobile Communications, GSM White Spaces enables new secondary networks to dynamically share spectrum with primary licensed mobile carriers. In doing so, GSM White Spaces enables organizations to provide mobile service to remote areas, facilitates competition, and increases affordability for people in underserved regions. This works by leveraging existing mobile phone technology. Mobile phones constantly look for signal strength from nearby cell towers and report those measurements back. GSM White Spaces repurposes those measurements to find unused spectrum, so a secondary network and its users can utilize the unused spectrum without disrupting service of the primary provider. By repurposing the same protocols that allow your phone to maintain its connection to different towers as you drive down the road, GSM White Spaces allows people to use their existing phones without hardware changes, while also allowing new providers to offer service to those in need. With GSM White Spaces, spectrum, a public good, can be used more effectively, enabling new providers to bring service to the 1 billion people lacking mobile access around the world. GSM White Spaces is one of nearly 100 technology innovations coming out of the Development Impact Lab, a global consortium headquartered at the University of California, Berkeley. The lab supports research in the new field of development engineering, which couples advances in engineering with the social and economic interventions needed to reduce poverty at scale.